Johnny. Sorry for the short notice, but we really need communication in that area restored as soon as possible.
Don't worry, boss. You're paying me triple the usual, so I'll be quick.
That's the spirit. Just remember, the tower is right on the edge of the evacuation zone, so lay low, right?
Hey everyone, this is Manly Bandit.
I don't act like I didn't hear that. I did hear that. Okay, so hold on. Triple payment? God damn. How much am I being paid? Damn, son. Pro here. Well, I am breathing. Okay, so I can run, jump, crouch, hit anything. Now I can zoom. Okay, now I think we got the controls. What do we need? Grab to inside the shed. Okay. Okay, so E to interact. Get on the ladder. Okay. Damn. Damn, son. All freaking ladder. Ah, shoot, I'm not good with heights. Okay. I guess we're going up. Oh, grab the screwdriver from a belt. Look down. Oh, okay. Am I supposed to not carry that? Well, just gonna let the screw drop, huh? So I can move while using a screwdriver. So if I'm using a screwdriver and something's up my ass, I'm screwed. Like 100%. Okay. I'm not sure how that's how screwdrivers work, but okay. Probably should have got a wrench, but hey, who am I to judge? I'm getting paid tripled here. Okay. Green to green. Red. Okay, so I need to hold it down too. Red to red, blue to blue, blue to blue, blue to goddamn blue, and yellow to yellow. There we go. Do I not need to screw this back? Oh well. Wait, why am I going up? Shouldn't I be going down? Am I supposed to go down? I don't know, man. Am I supposed to unscrew this? Okay. He wants to fix up the radio tower. Okay, maybe okay, I'm not gonna unscrew that. But that's probably gonna come in useful. Okay, I've seen trailers of this game. Alright, I'm not good with horror, alright? Okay, go. God damn it, Rio. Green to green, blue to blue, yellow to yellow. Okay, where's red? Okay, good enough. And put it back, and I'm guessing we're gonna go up. Well, I mean, we're getting paid triple to just fix an entire radio tower, so yay. You know what? The risk. The risk of falling isn't worth it. I was gonna say that the risk of going to the heights of like the Burj Khalifa was worth it, but then again, now that I think about it, not really that worth it. What the junk was that? What the junk was that? Bro, I think I saw Mothra out there. Can you close back? Can you close that thing back? Oh, wow. Excuse me? Okay, shoot. Run, shift. Sweet Christ, God, get away. You're throwing antenna, it's just slowing down. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh damn it. Oh god. Oh no. Yep. And I'm gonna oh damn, that's a tall ass I can see why he paid me triple. Okay, so where am I again? Right. Okay. Shoot. Come on, come on, come on. Try. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm just stupid. Okay, yep. I don't think it's working. My man, he's up my ass. Oh god, no, 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 no. Stay away. Stay away. Come on, come on. Just go up, up, up. Shove that feet too. Okay, shoot, shoot. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. Come on, come on. We can reach it. We can reach it. Screw your sanity. Screw your sanity. Oh god, he's up my ass. He's really up. Like, he's really reaching it up. Okay, the controls are dumb. How tall is this tower? Yeah, I don't need to know that. I don't need to. I know. God, I really. Okay, my critique. We really need to find a way to like skip this bastard. Come on, come on, come on. Does not help that the fact that this controls are so sensitive as hell. Why are you slowing down? Now is not the time for you to be panicking. This is the time for your adrenaline to rush and kill you in with as much steroids as humanly possible. That line does not make any sense, but I don't make any sense. Oh wait, I have stamina? I have stamina? Oh come on, man. You're giving me like 2 things to worry about. Like I already have like a demon up my ass, my guy. Oh god, he really is up my ass. Come on. Oh no, no, no. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. I think that's an electricity, right? Looks like I'm actually okay. Whew. Whew. Well, I can't see what's below me. That's the problem. Why am I still working here? Okay, what's that behind? What's that behind the electric tower? Is that hell? Ah, shoot. The company needs you. Go beyond the... Damn it. Something of a lifespan. Try forever theorem today. Wow, someone discovered immortality, huh? Good luck with that, losers. How many times have, like, you know, movies taught you that immortality sucks? Alright, the last thing we need is immortality. I had no idea why you want immortality. Okay, what the junk is happening?
Johnny,
what's up?
We are so... They're... God, they're everywhere.
They're everywhere. Oh, God damn it.
Right now. This city is done for. You hear me, Johnny?
Shoot.
The company needs to know.
The company needs to know what? Interact with the lever. Restore the contact company, disrupt and escape alone. Save the human race. Let's go. So, what's that? I'll see you in hell. What? Okay, I mean, well, shoot.